Hello everybody, welcome to Triple K English channel. This is Kiran Kumar. If this is the first time that you are watching my channel, I request you to subscribe it. Press bell icon to get more notifications and updates every time. In this session, we are going to learn talking time under 7th class New English syllabus of Unit 1. Earlier, we discussed about so many topics under Unit 1. In this session, we are going to learn a new topic, talking time. Under talking time, we are going to learn introducing oneself under a language function. Here, a help box is given for us. We have to fill these blanks by depending on the help box. Just look at the help box. This is help box. 3 columns are given here. A column under sports, a column under hobbies, and a column under jobs are here. We have to read the given sentence and pick the right one from the help box which is suitable for it. Yes. Language function introducing self. It belongs to communication skills. We have to learn how to introduce ourselves with others. Basically, there are some simple terms to introduce ourselves. There are some sentences. Hello, my name is. Just use our name while introducing. If your name is Mahendra Singh Dhoni, write your name there. Hello, my name is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. If your name is PV Sindhu, introduce like that. Hello, my name is PV Sindhu. Here, just use your name. I come from, if you find something is given in a bracket, name of the place is given in brackets. Just we write our place. We have to write the place whom we belong to. I come from Visakhapatnam. If your native place is Kottakota, right there, I come from Kottakota. If your native place is Vijayanagaram, I come from Vijayanagaram. I am years old. We have to insert about our age. Basically, the students who are pursuing 7th class belong to 11 or 12 years age. So, we can write our age there. I am 11 years old or I am 12 years old. There are people in my family. The hint is given in the brackets. Number of family. How many members are there in your family? If there are 4 members in your family, you write there are 4 people in my family. If there are 5 members in your family, you can write there are 5 people in my family. If you belong to a joint family and it contains 15 members, you can write there are 15 people in my family. We can write like this. I'm a student at, and what is given in the brackets? Name of the school. Which school do you belong to? You can write about it. I'm a student at GVMC High School, Gandhigram. If you belong to ZPHS school and write your name after school, village name after school. I'm a student at ZPH school, Kottakota. I'm a student at ZP High School, Vijayanagaram. We have right. Next, my favorite subject is. What is given in the brackets? Write your favorite subject. If your favorite subject is mathematics, write mathematics. If your favorite subject is English, write English here. If your favorite subject is social studies, write social studies here. You can write like this: my favorite subject is English. My hobbies are, there are 3 blanks. Here, to fill these blanks, we have to depend on the help box. Earlier, I have shown this help box. Sports, hobbies, jobs. In the blanks, you are asked to insert about hobbies. If you observe, there are 6 hobbies: reading books, listening to music, playing computer games, surfing the internet, chatting with best friends, collecting stamps or coins, etc. As we have to insert any 3 of these hobbies in the given blanks. Yes, my hobbies are reading books, playing computer games, and chatting with best friends. But some of those hobbies are different. We can write our hobbies. Right. In my free time, I also enjoy. If we are free, in our free time, other than our academics, we prefer to play sports. We prefer to listen to music. In my free time, I also enjoy sports, or I also enjoy music. Under sports, we can write any one of these: volleyball, badminton, tennis, cricket, cycling, fishing, etc. If you enjoy sports, you can like to write: in my free time, I also enjoy cricket. In my free time, I also enjoy tennis. In my free time, I also sometimes enjoy watching sports or listening to music. Sometimes enjoy playing sports, and some others enjoy watching sports. You can write like this: in my free time, I also enjoy watching cricket, or I also enjoy playing cricket. In my free time, I also enjoy listening to music. Okay, right. Next one. I like, or I dislike, or I hate. 3 things are given here. You can write what do you like, or you can write what do you dislike, or you can write what do you hate. You can prefer any one of these. I like reading books. I like playing volleyball. If you want to insert about dislike, I dislike wasting time. If you want to hate something, I hate cheaters. In this way you can write. And another one, my favorite food or drink is. Here we are asked to insert about our favorite food. If our favorite food is paneer dosa, we can write like this: my favorite food is paneer dosa. If our favorite food is biryani, you can write like this: my favorite food is biryani. Or if you want to write about your favorite drink, you can write like this: my favorite drink is milkshake, or my favorite drink is pulpy orange. You can write like this. Next, I study English because. Here we are asked to write about the purpose in learning or in studying English. I study English because I want to go to abroad. I study English because I want to become a fluent speaker in English. I study English because I want to go to abroad, or because I want to become a fluent speaker in English. Next, I would like to become in future. What is given in the brackets? Aim in life. Yes, aim in life is pertaining to jobs. Look at the help box under 3rd column. Jobs: teacher, engineer, doctor, businessman, manager, politician. What do you want to become? Someone wants to become a teacher, and someone wants to become an engineer, and someone wants to become a doctor, and someone wants to become a businessman. And you can write about your aim. What do you want to become in future? I would like to become a politician in future. Someone wants to become a politician in future. You can write like this. I would like to become a doctor in future. I would like to become a manager in future. In this way, we can fill these blanks by depending on ourselves and by depending on the help box. It is about introducing ourselves. Next, under another language function, we are asked to learn how to introduce others. Here, we are asked to learn how to introduce others under language function. It is also a language function. It belongs to communication skills. Just we have learned how to introduce ourselves. Here we are going to learn how to introduce others. The next task is how to introduce others. Yes, read the sentences here. Language function, introducing others. You have learned how to introduce yourself. Just we learned how to introduce ourselves. Now introduce your friend to your class using the hints given. Yes, there are some hints. Depending on the hints, we can introduce our friend to our class. Here, a task is given for us to introduce our friend to our class. What is the task, students? Let us repeat it. What is the task? We are asked to introduce our friend to our class. Yes, very easy to introduce our friend. Whenever you have new friend in your class, you have to introduce your friend to class. Hello, friends. This is, if your friend's name is Gauri Shankar, you can write Gauri Shankar. If your friend's name is Aikyasrita, you can write Aikyasrita. Yes, hello, friends. This is Gauri Shankar. Or hello, friends. This is Pravalika. You can insert the name of your friend here. Yes. Second one, he or she is from. If your friend is from Visakhapatnam, you can write Visakhapatnam. We just write their residing place. Or she is from Anakapalli, or he is from Vijayanagaram. We can write their living place here. He or she is in, just inside the class here. He is in section B of 7th class, or she is in section C of 7th class. We can write like this. His or her favorite subject is, we can write about their favorite subject. If their favorite subject is English, his favorite subject is English, or her favorite subject is mathematics. We can write his or her favorite subject. In this way, we can introduce others. In this session, we have learned how to introduce ourselves and how to introduce others. Please practice these phrases and try to use in your own. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.